Money sitting in your bank account is secretly losing value every single day. But here's the twist. There's a powerful way to fight back and make your money work for you. Curious? Let's uncover the secret behind investing. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to explore what investing really means and why it plays such an essential role in building financial security and wealth for the future. At its core, investing is the act of putting your money, time, or resources into something with the expectation of future returns. It's not just about chasing profits, it's about planting seeds today so they can grow into something more valuable tomorrow. But why is it so important? First, investing protects you from inflation. When prices rise, the value of your savings shrinks. By investing, you allow your money to grow faster than inflation. Second, investing creates additional income streams. Think of dividends from stocks, rental income from property, or interest from bonds. These are sources of passive income that work even while you sleep. Third, it helps you achieve long-term goals, buying a home, funding education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. And finally, investing teaches financial discipline. It pushes you to plan, manage risks, and make smarter money decisions. Investing isn't about being rich, it's about being prepared. The earlier you start, the stronger your financial foundation will be. So ask yourself today, are you letting your money sleep, or are you letting it grow? This is the power of investing, and now it's in your hands.